Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience, who would be curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Prof. Hortense, who is an assistant professor at the Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. Hi Hortense, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm excited to know about your science. So could we start with understanding your research? So please explain your research to us in super simple words, please.
Very easily, I would say I combine additive manufacturing, like this 3D printing, with directed assembly of the small particles that we have inside the ink that we are trying to print. And the reason we like to do this is to enhance the mechanical or functional properties of the composites or of whatever material that comes out, thanks to controlling the orientation of these particles. So specifically, we try really to understand how this local orientation of these particles can influence macroscopic properties and as well as the microscopic properties.
Okay. Wow. That is super interesting. I have so many questions for you. How did you end up in this field and want to know more about it? But for now, what can the followers expect in the week that you will be taking over the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
Yeah, so since you understood, I'm excited about 3D printing, microstructure, and so on. I will be tweeting interesting for me, and I hope for you, recent research in the field of microstructured composites. And this is also closely related to the field of bio-inspired materials, because natural materials are very interesting microstructure from which we can get inspiration. So you might see also pretty pictures of trees and plants and these kind of things.
Excellent. Awesome. That sounds really cool. And I'm very, very curious about the biomimetics or bio-inspired aspect of this, because I did do a brief internship where I worked with this gecko-inspired micro pillars and stuff like that. So I'm really curious from that perspective as well, that how do these two mega fields come together, or what are the parallels there? I'm personally interested in that. But yeah, that sounds good. Thank you very much, Prof. Hortense, for speaking with us. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano.
Great, thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.